Hello all, welcome to Scientifics. In this video, we'll be discussing about the Universal Law of Gravitation. Let us understand what the Universal Law of Gravitation states. It states that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. F is equal to G into capital M into small m by d square is the formula. Over here, F is the force, capital G is the gravitational constant, capital M is the mass of the bigger object, small m is the mass of the smaller object, d square is the square of the distance between the two objects. Note, in this capital G, which is this thing, is called the gravitational constant, which always has a constant value. The value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 nm square kg square. Therefore, the value of G at the Moon, Jupiter and any planet you name will be the same, which is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 nm square kg square. Now let us see how we derive this equation. In the above diagram, which is this, let two objects A and B of masses m, capital M and small m lie at a distance d from each other. So, let two objects A and B, this is object A and this is object B, this is capital M and this is small m, which is replaced with M1 and M2, which is the same, lie at a distance d from each other. So, this is the distance between them, so it's denoted with d. Let the force between the two objects be F. So F. This is F. This is the force exerted on each body. According to the Universal Law of Gravitation, the force between two objects is directly proportional to the product of their masses. That is, F is directly proportional to capital M into small m. So, directly proportional means now if the value of F increases, it will increase for capital M into small m as well. And similarly, if it decreases for F, it will decrease for capital M into small m as well. The force between the two objects is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That is, F is inversely proportional to 1 by d square. So if the value of F increases, the value of 1 by d square decreases. Whereas if the value of F decreases, it will increase for 1 by d square. That is the meaning of directly proportional and inversely proportional respectively. Now when we combine both the equations, we get F is equal to G into capital M into small m by d square. It is also important to learn the SI units for each of the terms. Force or weight, the SI unit of force or weight is Newton, which is denoted by capital N. The SI unit of mass is equal to kg or kilogram. The SI unit of gravitational constant or capital G is nm square kg square. The SI unit of acceleration due to gravity or small g is equal to meter per second square. SI unit of distance is equal to meter. We will be learning about acceleration due to gravity in the next upcoming videos. Some extra information for you people. The value of capital G was found out by Henry Cavendish by using a sensitive balance. So that is how we found out the value 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 nm square kg square. Example, let's solve a numerical. So the mass of the Earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg and that of the Moon is 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg. If the distance between the Earth and the Moon is 3.84 into 10 to the power 5 kilometers, calculate the force exerted by the Earth on the Moon. Take 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11 nm square kg square as the value of capital G. Even if they don't give it in the sum, it is constant, so you should always take this value. You can pause the video to solve it by yourself. Answer. The most important thing is to write what is given. So, mass of the earth, which is capital M, denoted by capital M, is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Mass of the moon, which is denoted by small m, is equal to 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Distance between earth and the moon is denoted by d, which is equal to 3.84 into 10 to the power 5 kilometers. Now we need to use the formula for Universal Law of Gravitation, which is this one, to solve the sum. 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11 nm square kg square is capital G into capital M, which is earth and the mass of the earth, 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg, into small m, which is 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg, which is the mass of the moon, by d square, which is equal, after we multiply and divide it with the distance square, we'll get 2.02 into 10 to the power 20 Newton, which is the force exerted by the earth on the moon. Note, the main doubt arises here. You may say that the distance is given as 3.84 into 10 to the power 5 kilometers. But why did I replace it with 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meters in the next equation? This is because the SI unit of distance is meter. I very well told you that distance SI unit is meter. So therefore we need to convert anything into the SI unit before solving the numerical. But they have given it as kilometer in the question, we need to convert it into meter. Kilometer into meter, we need to multiply by 1000. 1000 is equal to 10 to the power 3. Therefore, 10 to the power 5 kilometer plus 10 to the power 3 kilometer will be 10 to the power 8 meters. Now let us learn the importance of the Universal Law of Gravitation. The Universal Law of Gravitation successfully has explained several phenomena which were believed to be unconnected. First one, it is the force that binds us to the earth. Second one, the motion of the earth around the sun. Motion of the earth around the sun. The tides are caused due to the moon and the sun. So all these 3 points will not be possible without the Universal Law of Gravitation. We can't imagine a world without the Universal Law of Gravitation. So we need to appreciate that. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment, share and subscribe. Thank you once again.